guys like packing peanuts? I know I don't like packing peanuts. We're just gonna get enough peanuts off of here to try and get the surprise out of the box. You guys figure out what the surprise is yet? Ooh, oh man, the peanuts, they're getting everywhere. There we go. Any idea yet? You know what that is? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Woo wee! Look at that.
I think that's what we're gonna do.
Woo!
Peanuts right here.
Look at that. Look at those lights. That's what I'm talking about. So we're going to take those 67 RS Camaro tail lights and we're going to drop them in this tail pan. Alright, so that wraps it up. That's swapping out the 68 to 67 taillights in a Chevrolet Nova, which is actually a Buick Apollo. But if you guys know about the Nova family, the N is the Nova, the O is the Omega, the V is the Ventura, and the A is the Apollo. And that's what we got here is an Apollo, part of the Nova family. And that doesn't matter because this tail pan is out of a 67 to 68 Camaro. So the Nova is the same platform. This is a 73. You'll notice the difference in the 70, the 72, and the 73 got the ugly back window. They refer to it as, you know, got the little hump instead, got the slant window, you know, whatever. It's all good. It's got the. We're not done with it yet. This is the Misfit. This is 3 wheels on the block. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, drop me a comment below. Smash the like button. If you haven't hit that red button for subscribing, what are you even watching the video for?